Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog into the beautiful city of Houston, Texas. Today we are gonna, and I'm talking about we because my beautiful wife is here to help me in today's video. And today we are gonna finally set this up. This has like a month since arrived, and I haven't had the opportunity to open it, but today is the day. We're gonna open it, try it. We're gonna lift the car with this brand new lift I bought from Quickjacks. And this is awesome. With this, I'm gonna be able to lift the car at least 24 inches. I think we will be able to lift this. And what this is gonna help us with is we are gonna finally be able to install the new exhaust in the car. So that's the next video that's gonna come in the next video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you keep updated with all those videos, because yes, the exhaust in the car is coming. I need to finish with this, try it. Today we're gonna install the new front lip. I bought the new and more aggressive front lip. I bought it in carbon flash because everything in the car is carbon flash. So I was like, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I actually want to change everything to forged carbon fiber when it comes out, but it hasn't come out. So we're gonna do it right now, and I'm gonna do it with carbon flash. After the video of today, we're gonna go with the exhaust. So make sure to subscribe down below. Come on, down below, subscribe to the channel, and let's just start with this. Well, after we unbox these beautiful babies, this is what we have. We have the two lift, one for each side. We have the compressor, of course. We have the pipelines and all the connectors to connect the compressor to those two. So, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to go over the manual and come back. Okay, so I put the plugs here to connect the hoses. Right here, put all the plugs in. Now I need some hydraulic fluids to fill this tank, so I can connect the pipes, and of course it can run to the lift. So I need to go to AutoZone and get some hydraulic fluid, and I'll be back. Okay, and it says that I need to fill the tank with hydraulic fluid to 12 millimeters to the top. So I'm gonna do that. My wife is helping me. Yeah, she saw my mess, and yeah. So she is helping me a lot with the mess that I had here, and it's looking a lot better already. But I'm gonna keep doing this so we can install those babies and lift the car, so we can put the new front lip in the car. So after you put the hydraulic fluid, you connect all the hose. Pim, 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 pim. And let's just try it with my beautiful wife. If she do me the honors, Gonna get the remote up, and if she do me the honors, we come in 1, 2, 3. The lift are ready, baby. There you go. That's super fun. And now they come down like this. Slowly come down. But they finally do. Okay, so I place the lift under the car. Supports right there. And I'm going to do it. I'm going to lift it. So let's just hope for the best. And 3, 2, let me just put it here, wide angle. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's going up. It's going up. It's going up. And it's going up. There you go. There you go. And he made it up. I think that's good enough. And we finally got the car in a good height that we can come and do the exhaust under. We can take this big exhaust out of there and put the new one from Paragon. So make sure to subscribe if you want to keep looking those other videos that are coming up next. Today we're just testing these guys and making sure they work properly. And I'm gonna get rid of these red things. I don't like them anymore, so I'm gonna just rip that off, clean the area, and I'm gonna put in the new front lip and see how it looks. We're gonna change the front lip today, and we're gonna make sure everything is working fine. But yes, I'm gonna get some tools. I'm gonna put to work. We're gonna put the front lip and see how it looks. Out with the old and in with the new. Let's just put it in. And if you want to see how the front lip goes in, I have another video about that down in the description. I'm gonna leave it there. If you want to see how these things are installed, make sure to go there. Super simple, bunch of screws with a T15 screwdriver. You're good to go. But go there, make sure to go there. Check that video out if you're putting the front lip. For now, I'm not gonna record it because I already did a video of that. So I'm gonna just put it in and see how it looks. And it's gonna be like this easy. And that's how it looks. It's getting pretty dark already, so you cannot see it right here, but I'm gonna put the car down, take it out so you can see it on the sun. Wow, I like it. I like it a lot. How you think? What do you think? You like it?
Yes.
Do you like it? Yep. Of course, I'm gonna do this pinstriping on those. Not today. It won't happen today, but just like that, that has been all for the video of today. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Woo!